Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best PayPal app for mobile payment and money management. And here's the breakdown. If you want to manage your money and payments straightforward from your phone, PayPal has some app that makes it quick and simple. The main PayPal app lets you send and receive money, check your balance instantly, request payment, and pay with QR code in stores, all in one place. You can also track your transactions and transfer money to your bank with a few taps. For business owner, the PayPal business app gives you extra tools like real-time sales tracking, invoicing creation, and customer payment management on the go. Pair it with PayPal here if you want sales in person. It lets you accept card payment with a small card reader right from your phone, and with that you can make any money, you can make payment and also manage your income. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more money tips, and comment which PayPal app you would like to use first. And that's it.